So it's time for commandment number 5. Keeping it simple. Let's go! So after years doing DJ tricks, I never experienced people coming up to me and saying, "Yo DJ, how do you scratch that song? That was the bomb. And how you played that instrumental with it a cappella? Whoa, so original. And how you loop that song? Whoa, never seen that before. You are so great." It never happened. Also, I never experienced other DJs experiencing the same thing, because the crowd doesn't care. The only one who cares are other DJs. Because you have to understand, usually the DJ is higher on a podium, or even if he's not, he has a screen in front of them, or even both. So there's no way you can see what he is doing unless you're standing behind him or watching the screens, looking down on with the camera or something like that. So that means that the majority of the crowd has no idea that what they're hearing, if it's a mashup or if the DJ is doing it live. And frankly, they don't care. So what do they care about? They want to have fun, they want to dance, and they want to hear their favorite song. It's that simple. So if the crowd doesn't care, why do you see all these DJs scratching and doing tricks? Probably because they want to have fun as well. And I understand, I like to do tricks as well, but not in front of a crowd, and I'll tell you why. So let's say you've been practicing a trick at home, and 99.999% of the time your trick is successful. So now you're DJing at a club. Let's say a 3-hour set. Everything is going great. You're king of the club, right? King of the night. Yeah, everybody loves you. Everybody's doing this. Oh man, DJ, we love you. 5 minutes before the end of the set, you decide to do that trick. You're doing the trick and now you screw up. Everybody forgot about the 3 hours that you were king of the club, and they can only remember that 1 second that you screwed up. And the whole week after, when people are talking about that party, they will say it was a cool party, except for that whack-ass DJ that screwed up. And also with the live feed, your 3-hour set has been uploaded on YouTube, and all the comments are at the end, that second that you screwed up. And that's the only thing that people are focused on. So why would you take all that risk just to do a trick that nobody cares for? And every moment you're doing a trick, you're focused at the decks, and you're missing time to engage with your crowd. So one time I witnessed a DJ scratching in the club, but he screwed up. And he didn't want to admit that he was screwing up. So he was just looking down and trying to scratch even more, trying to redeem himself. But he kept screwing up. And the whole crowd was like standing still, watching him. And yo, what the hell is he doing? Right? And this guy was, you know, you could see that he was feeling the eyes, but he was looking down and, oh man, I need to redeem myself, do something, and then something, and then he played another song. Oh man, I felt so bad for that guy. And that's why I say the 5th commandment is keep it simple. Don't do tricks, or keep it at a minimum. Please your crowd. Peace out.
Getting fixed by business, that's your telling though.